Ever wondered if your adorable crypto cats could somehow be linked to your Bybit crypto account? First, head over to the Bybit website and log into your account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication set up for added security. This is crucial when dealing with your crypto assets. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Assets or Wallet section of your Bybit account. This is where you'll find all your different crypto holdings. Look for the Overview, Funding, or Spot account. Each may display your wallet address. Now, find the specific crypto you want to potentially connect, maybe the coin you use to buy those cute accessories for your cats. Click on Deposit for that specific coin. This will then reveal your wallet address for this coin. Copy this address. Okay, now switch over to your cat's game. Locate the Settings or Profile section within the game. Keep in mind, depending on the game mechanics, there may or may not be a direct option to input a crypto wallet address. If a wallet address field exists, which is unlikely for direct integration, paste the Bybit address you copied earlier. This part is really speculative. We are exploring the hypothetical connection of integrating your game with your crypto holdings. And that's it. Again, remember that a direct connection between your Bybit address and cats might not be fully functional or intended. We are exploring a hypothetical integration to see the possibilities. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto explorations and game integrations, even the hypothetical ones. Thanks for watching.